What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews, and in this review we have Spectracide Weed and Grass Killer. This one is the extended control. As you know, or you may not know because you might be new to the channel, I do all types of content, you guys. Lawn content, home products, all that stuff, DIY. I jacked all trades, but I know there's some professionals out there, so I jacked all trades and I'm a master of none. So for y'all that actually do lawn care as a profession, please don't look at me as a professional. I'm a regular homebody, you guys. So with that being said, I got that little disclaimer out the way. And whenever you work with this stuff, make sure you wear your proper PPE. This stuff can be very harmful to your skin and your health. So make sure you wear your proper PPE. Even though I know regular homebodies, they just go out in shorts, sleeves and shorts and all types of stuff. So you do what you want to do. All right, anyways, but do the right thing. Sometimes, you know, I be slipping, but it is what it is. All right, you guys, so for the most part, whenever you spray this stuff or any type of grass killer, weed killer, grass killer, make sure you look at the back of the instructions and all of that. It says when to use 60 degrees. You see all that right there? So it tells you when to use it and all that good stuff. And I also bought this from Lowe's. I'm pretty sure you could probably get it from Amazon. If I find Amazon, then I'll post the Amazon link. I know a lot of people don't like shopping at Lowe's. I even was getting a headache the other day shopping at Lowe's for something, but you know, it is what it is. But it is also fun going to Lowe's. And another thing we are going to test out is the 3-hour results. So we are going to put this on a time lapse to see what it's like in 3 hours. Okay, you guys, so the way this works is a easy spray. So you can just lift that up like that. All right, you don't have to do the untwist thing, pop off, zap out, pop in and all of that. Right here it says remove before use, so I'm assuming that this is battery powered. So let's see, we removed that, so it's nothing here to where you remove for the battery. So we will check for the instructions, but we remove before use. Whenever you need to read the instructions on this, you have to peel this part right here. Once you peel that, you have all of your content right here. Now if I need to edit, I will pause it, or I will snap it and show y'all. But if not, y'all can pause it and read it for yourselves, okay? Y'all can pause all of that. And then you have some more stuff. So you can pause it, read it. If it's not legible. If it's not legible, then I will take a photo and send it to y'all. This is a one-time use, you guys. I believe there is no refill to this, so once you're done, you're done. So you lock and then unlock. This is like the other sprayers. So it was on X, which means don't work. Right here you have your straight spray, you have your different sprays right here. Let me go ahead and use this and let's see how long this takes to work. All right, you guys, so now we are going to put it on single spray. So I'm gonna show y'all what single spray look like. And if you need to know what spray you on, there's a little arrow right here and it's on the spray type that you want. So here we go. I already have it unlocked. I do not have gloves on, so make sure you wear your gloves and stuff. So that's a single spray. Okay, I'm gonna go to the second sprayer type that they have. Ooh, this stuff is strong too, you guys. So that's the second spray type. And whew, strong. Wow. This is the third spray type. It's nothing different from the third and the second one, to be honest. I don't see no difference. All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to spray most of this patio over here because, oh, sorry. All right, you guys, so what I'm going to do is spray most of this side of the patio. I do have this featured, or I'm going to feature this in a brand versus. All right, you guys, so for the ones that don't know, I do brand versus, which means I put brands against each other when it comes to maybe like the same content. So right here we have Spectracide Weed and Grass Killer. I might do another brand with Roundup Weed and Grass Killer and put those side by side and see which one reacts faster, quicker, or which one is better in time and all of that. So yeah, so with that being said, stay tuned. I will be featuring this on a brand versus, but I'm going to spray this most of this patio right now. So I'm gonna go hit. I like the single shot personally when it comes to doing the patio. All right, you guys, so we are a little bit over 4 hours and this stuff really turned brown, you guys. So Spectracide, you cannot go wrong with Spectracide. That's one thing for sure, and that's one thing I learned when it comes to all this product testing and everything. Spectracide will definitely do the trick. That Ortho white bottle that I just used does the trick, and the Roundup white and blue bottle does the trick. So I sprayed all of this stuff today and it's definitely done. I will be picking it up probably tomorrow. I did spray over here. I sprayed over there as well. So I will be cleaning up my patio this week. All right, and I got some more areas where I could do some testing. So I sprayed all of this. I sprayed all of that. All right, you guys. So the only thing I could say about this is wow, 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 wow. So I almost sprayed the whole patio. So all of this is sprayed with this stuff right here, okay? And all I can say is wow. Now, this is 1 week later, okay? Well, 4 days, whatever you count as a week, 5 days or 7 days, whatever. Okay, so this is a week later, and I have to say that Spectracide won't let you down, you guys. Spectracide won't let you down. This flip and go sprayer is what you need if you just have a nice size patio. Yeah, so let's go ahead and get into it, you guys. So here we go. I sprayed all of this. All right, I'll let you know what I didn't spray because I want to put this against a couple more brands, or I got different brands that I want to do a brand versus with. So most of the patio been sprayed, so you can see what haven't been sprayed. I have 3 lines right here, 1, 2, and 3. So I will be doing a versus later on. But other than that, if you see yellow, I sprayed it. So just look at all of that, you guys. Look at that. It took everything out. This stuff is amazing. I might give it another spray through all the cracks, and then I'll try to rip everything up, but everything is brown. You see all the leaves that are brown. That is insane, all right? That stuff works good right there. that weed right here, it is basically done. All right, all that weed, and through this walkway, I sprayed this whole walkway right here, and the whole walkway is brown. So I am ready to get all of that up, you guys, and I have to say that that weed and grass killer, that one won't let you down. Now I did see, well, we did see visible results within the few hours, but it's not going to be like this in a few hours, okay? So you will not see it like this. This is actually what I was doing on the video, was these right here, and it didn't turn like this in 3 hours, you guys. The 3 hours results was it drooping down basically, but wow, that's insane. All right, you guys, so if y'all have any other questions, comments, concerns, put it in the comment section and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.